up? It's your boy T-Bear from Reaction. Today is a mixture of Tron Lab Tuesday and some music video. I'm going to define music video reaction today, and that is the return of the four brother boy band that made a big thing in the '90s with their hit song "Candy Rain." It's none of this Soul for Real. This is their latest song they kind of because the youngest member guy's name is he's been doing this thing for a minute on the underground scene, and all four brothers has been releasing videos of them singing together still and everything. So without further ado, here is Soul for Real with After the Rain. Let's get it. This is based out like After Candy Rain. Let's get it.
The remnants of Hurricane Ida are continuing to wreak havoc across the northeastern United States.
Tonight, Hurricane Ida slamming into Louisiana as a powerful Cat 4
That's where it came
storm,
from?
sending fierce winds of up to 150 miles per hour and surging waters.
Unleashing damaging winds, torrential rains, and a life-threatening storm surge.
Flash flooding emergency
From
for
Atlanta,
New York
no.
City as Ida dumped a month's worth
No,
of
it was
rain
from New
in a
York,
matter
but
of
still.
hours. Several people have died, subway and air travel has been suspended, and thousands are without power.
Anyway, Jason, that's what his name is.
Hey, when you see me in these streets, bust a shout out.
Shock.
Remember that I was the one you was crazy about. But life done taught me a whole lot since I've been grown. Oh yeah, like who truly cares about me? Oh yeah. We're young and foolish, make a lot of mistakes. Yeah. I'm so real and I ain't never giving up, nah. Gonna find my way back to love. I know you forget about love. We done been through the storm. It's still pouring down on us. After the rain, I hope we forget about love. We done been through the storm. It's still pouring down on us. A lot of women coming in and out of my bed.
Okay, all of them getting in the verse now. Okay.
They didn't really love me, all they did was hurt me. They didn't really love me, all they did was hurt me. Heaven, I need a heart, 'cause I might score.
Oh, he been sleep. Oh, they been sleeping on my mans because they usually Chalk and JC to do the lead, but I got the name of it's Dre doing the lead, doing a verse. Okay.
Hard for me to trust again.
Okay,
It's hard for me to love again. Foolish, make a lot of mistakes, yeah. So for real, we ain't never giving up, no. Gotta wait for the way back to love. Get a flame still burning.
Nice. Right doing a Right got a verse. Nice.
Still working on me. Feel bad that I wanna be. Never given a second chance. In this moment, whoa, I know that better days are coming, and the sun goes down on me. We done been through the
This was nice. They still doing their thing though. Late Town sound good too though. This is my first time I heard the other two brothers do a verse though. I mean, maybe I had bought the album back then, would have probably heard them do verses on the song. But yeah, this is good. They killed it though. Yeah, I had to look at. I didn't know Jason was like that, like 5 years apart from the second to youngest member. I thought he was like a little younger than that. But yeah, wow. I mean, when he first came out, he was like 13 or 14. The rest was like, he was 14 when he came on. The rest was in the late teens and 20s. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, he was in the late teens, late teens and 20s. Wow. Other than that, this was good though to see the boys all together and doing their thing. So if you like my reaction, like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel. It's your boy T-Bear signing off. One love.